a bad boy cruiser moving through the hill roads like it's a starter intro song for any AC/DC music video. And that is exactly the Harley Davidson experience. A low bobber, a leather jacket and a cigar, and that is all accomplished by this, the Harley Davidson Sportster 1200, also known as the 40. Known for the incredible vintage lifestyle, the Harley Davidson introduced the Sportster 48 in 2010. With a bold and retro-inspired design, it was the first to introduce the peanut-style fuel tank for Harley's statement to conclude that the fuel tank isn't just 8 liters but an aesthetic. Now with the vintage lifestyle and the poppy red color, the most distinctive feature about this bike is those massive 130mm 90 section tires with 16-inch rims. And to what makes this rifle shoot all of its bullets in style is not only the beefiness but also the intricate art designs done all over the bike when it comes to the blacked out accents, to the air filter, the transmission block as well as the handlebar, which are all finished with chrome accents. And let me not get ahead of myself when I tell you that all of this is combined with the iconic skull designs put on the transmission block as well as the fuel tank. Now you only feel gangster on this motor once you put your hands on the handlebar, and when you do, you slightly lean a bit forward, providing for the sportiness stance of this bike. And with the ride height of 710mm and with the foot controls a slightly bit forward, you definitely exert dominance from the start. Now for the best part about this beast, this thing hosts a massive V-twin 1200cc air-cooled engine that puts out 70 horsepower and almost 100 Newton meters of torque stock. Now I'm not done stating all the facts about this bike, as whatever I just told you was stock, as the owner decides to play with this beast as it comes with a switchable ECU tune from a custom stage 2 ECU where it lets him switch between different ECU maps. And that's not all, it's also got a performance clutch, gear hub and a performance air filter from K&N and a sweet slip-on from Vans & Hines. Now when it comes to electronics, this bike isn't exactly made to be the most digital appliant bike, as it was based on a World War heritage bike. So it's got plenty of analog features, but most of all it's got an analog speedometer with a Harley Davidson badging done on it. But moreover, it's got a small digital LCD display where it gives you normal basic information such as the traveling navigation, the fuel gauges, etc. But that's not all, it also lets the owner play with the ECU map tune. Now when you look at the back of this bike when someone's sitting on it, well, for the bike and not for someone who's doing too many squats, but if you look at the back, you notice that it's very slim and narrow with these detailed tail lights with integrated indicators with them and also these massive bobbed fenders. Now, a more interesting part about this bike being that the way the mirrors are placed. They're placed in a very interesting and unique way, as a rider doesn't normally watch it over his handlebars, as they're placed below the handlebars near the indicators. Now a special feature about this bike is also that the oil sump is separate from the engine casting, as it normally is placed in most bikes with the engine. This comes separately, which is placed right here on this bike, and when you open this, you clearly can fit yourself and see how the oil is put. And moreover, this uses a dry sump lubrication, as most bikes use a wet lubrication. Now this bike features a very special element called a dog ring nut, which is basically a massive nut which handles all the torque and power in this bike, and it is also belt driven, unlike most bikes which are chain driven. Now with the price point of 10 lakhs ex-showroom, the owner actually bought this second hand pre-owned at 6 lakhs and it retains pretty good value being a CBU model. Now to end it all, I'd say that Harley Davidson have truly stuck by their statement when it comes to saying that they know what royalty, vintage and class is like. Until next time, peace.